Hey friends, if you wish to restore an accidentally deleted recycle bin in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now I want to tell you something that you cannot delete the recycle bin. Right click on it, there's no option to delete it. But there are many third party tools like Revo Uninstaller which allow you to delete the recycle bin amongst other tools, and there are PowerShell commands and other third party software products which can delete it. So if you have deleted it, then read through the procedure very carefully. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. On the left pane, this is the left pane, okay? Scroll down and reach the key H key local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer, desktop, namespace, okay, up to namespace. I'll show you this one, namespace, okay, and all the system entities are under this namespace itself. So there is one entity which starts with 645FF. Okay, I'll have to search for it very carefully. Here it is 645FF, and the next command would be 5081. So I'll share this path with you in the description section of the video. Now let's say it gets accidentally deleted. Okay, this means that the recycle bin is gone and all of its contents are gone. But if you wish to rebuild it, then simply copy this and then right click on namespace, select new key and then name it like this, and then hit enter, and the recycle bin will be back. But this can restore the recycle bin, it cannot restore the contents of the recycle bin, and obviously you have to reboot your system after it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.